I'm here today with a review slash like what I would store in my diaper bag video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that a few weeks ago I was asking a ton of questions about different like must-have items for babies because it has been a hot minute since I have had a newborn. So I am expecting a little girl this winter, and there's a diaper bag that I've just been in love with for like over a year, maybe even 2 years. And so anyways, they sent me the bag and I'm so excited. And so I told them that I would do a review on it. I'm not getting paid or anything. They did gift the bag to me, but this is not sponsored because I'm not making any money off of it, but I just love this bag. And I wanted to share it with you guys and kind of show you how I'll be packing this as we get closer to having our little girl enter this world. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video and you decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of any new videos that come out. So yeah, you ready to see the bag? This is the Happ Brand Levy backpack. Now, if you are like a normal size person, this bag is going to fit you beautifully. If you are a petite, tiny person like I am 5'1" on a, yeah, 5'1", 5'1.5" on a good day. It is a little bit of a bigger bag. So originally my thought was to use this as like my everyday bag because I love using backpacks for my everyday purse, but it's a little bit big for me to use on an everyday occurrence just because my frame is so tiny and I'm so short. But this is gonna make a beautiful, amazing diaper bag, and I will be using this as like my diaper bag slash purse once the baby comes. So I wanted to kind of share with you how I would pack this and kind of how much stuff you can fit in here, as well as a little review. So let me show you the bag. I have it all packed up here. It's this gorgeous, dusty, rose pink color. It's got quilted detail, and this is the Levy backpack by Happ Brand. Now, the thing I love about this is I have had quilted bags in the past, and they've always felt really plasticky and kind of cheap, and this is incredibly well made, like incredibly well made. I love the braided detail, the braided quilted detail. It's so beautiful. I love the gold accents. This is my perfect shade of pink. If you cannot tell, I have over on this side the dusty pink up here. The baby's room is gray, white, and dusty pink. So this color, this blush dusty rose, is just my all-time favorite color. Obviously dusty rose pink lips too. So this color is just the perfect, it's just the perfect color. It's not too pink, and oh, it's just so cute. But as you can see, it's a pretty large bag. I'm going to change the camera view here in a second to show you kind of everything you can fit in here. So the nice thing is there's a ton of pockets. There's a lot of organization, which I am a like fan of tons and tons of organization. It is a backpack style, so you have the nice backpack. It does have really nice cushion here. You have this back pocket right here, which I love because you can fit the little changing pad, which matches. This is also from Happ Brand. It's just a plain changing pad, but it fits so nicely right there in the back. And it's just very soft. It is water resistant material. You do have the clips here on the side as well so that you can strap it to your stroller, which is what I'm gonna do pretty often. So you really can fit a ton of stuff in here. I'm actually doing a second video after this. It's going to be showing their other bag, which is the Page Carryall and the Page Carryall Mini, which I've been carrying the Mini lately as my everyday purse. And I'm gonna show you kind of what's in my bag now and then show you how I would pack it with the big one versus the little one. It is so nice. It definitely lives up to all the hopes and dreams that I thought it would. It's just absolutely beautiful. I've been eyeing this bag for years. I'm pretty sure last Christmas and the Christmas before, I actually had this on my Christmas list for Ted to get me because I was just gonna use it as a regular bag, and he's like, when we get pregnant, I'll just buy you a diaper bag, buy it for you. And so thank you, Happ Brand, for sending this to me. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. I can't wait for our little girl to be here so I can start using it as a diaper bag. But let's jump into the other view so you guys can see just how easy it is to pack, how much stuff you can fit in here, and show you all the fun little features. Okay, so this is the Levy backpack. Isn't it like the most perfect, gorgeous shade of pink? It's perfect. It's the perfect pink, and that's why I love it. I have loved this bag from afar via Instagram because it's so gorgeous. And so thanks again, Happ Brand, for sending these to me. I just cannot believe it. So it's so beautiful. It has this nice pink cording here with all the gold details. I just love the pink and gold. So because it is a backpack style, you have the backpack straps here. Extremely comfortable, breathable material back here, nice and padded. They are adjustable as well. On the sides here, you see that there is the little clips for the stroller. So from the outside, you do have a few pockets. You have 2 pockets on either side. So I just have a water bottle on this one. You can obviously put a baby bottle or bottled water, whatever you'd like to bring. Easy access from the sides. From the back here, you also have this nice pouch here, which the changing pad fits perfectly in there, so you can have easy access to the changing pad. It also provides like a little extra cushion on your back, and it just fits in nice and flat like that. So then when you open it up, you have a lot of storage. So up here you have this really nice mesh zip bag. So this is nice because you have this nice mesh bag up here. Again, super easy access. So in here I just put in a few pacifiers. These are my favorite ones from when Ethan was little. They're the Advent ones, and I just have found that they are, in my opinion, the best pacifiers. So they have them in pink and purple, which is so cute. I also have some Pasty Wipes up here. These come in handy when they fall on the ground. Really easy to clean them up. Also, if you are bottle feeding and it falls on the ground, or if they have spoons or forks and you're out and about and you need to wipe them off, those are very handy at just keeping it nice and clean, sanitizing it, and it's safe to go back in their mouth. So those are up in the top portion here. If you are going to use this as like an everyday bag, you can definitely put like snacks up here. There's all kinds of things you can stick up there. So then we have the main compartment right here. There is a little zippered spot right here, which I have snacks. So because I have a 7, almost 8-year-old, and if you are nursing or breastfeeding, you get hungry all the time. So my purse always has snacks in it. So I just have a few things. I have some raisins for Ethan, some applesauce that he loves. These are his favorite Z bars, and I'm loving these Fiber One protein bars. So I just have some snacks in there to show you can fit a ton in there. You probably could also fit like a bottle in here if you wanted to. You could fit some toys. Even in this top section up here, if you have a child that's a little bit older and you bring like little forks and spoons for them to eat out, like if you're going out to a restaurant, you can stick that stuff up there as well. So this, you can really put tons of stuff. I just thought it was really nice for snacks, because the truth is if I have the backpack on and I have it zipped, I could always have Ethan open this very easily to access snacks if he's hungry. If I'm wearing the backpack, you don't have to unzip everything. It's just easy access stuff. This could also be where you'd stick pacifiers, anything that you need quick, easy access. That is what this little pocket is perfect for. Now for the inside, there's a lot of stuff you can fit in here. I just put a few things. These are what I feel are like the necessities for a newborn. So with a newborn, you really don't need a ton of stuff. Usually if you're out and about, it's not for extended long periods of time with a baby. Usually you'll have a stroller or something like that as well. I just feel like you don't need a ton of things. As your child gets older and starts eating solid foods, obviously then you have like puffs or any other little snacks for them, toys, that kind of stuff. This is just like a newborn kind of must-haves of what I would put in here. Kind of the same stuff that I had for Ethan. So in here I have wipes. You can use any wipes that you want. I'm gonna probably get different wipes when the baby comes, but these I actually continue to buy. They're just the Target Up and Up sensitive unscented wipes, and we use these for everything. I have a pack in my car, we have a pack in the kitchen, we have a pack in the bathroom. It makes it easy to just kind of like wipe your hands really easily, clean up easy messes. They're perfect for in the car, so I still buy these, and I have an almost 8-year-old. So I just threw some wipes in there. We have some little diapers. I went and bought a pack so that I could show you. These are just the Pampers Swaddler diapers. So you have diapers, and I have quite a few in here. I have 5 packed in there. On this side here, I have just a change of clothes, just in case you have like a blowout or something, or they spit up all over their clothes. It's just a little footed onesie. This one is from Old Navy. And you just want a nice little change of clothes just in case they have a little accident. And then a little bib or a burp cloth to clean up any spit up. So I have those in there just as an extra change of clothing because little babies tend to have a lot of accidents. So there's that. I also have a swaddle blanket in here. I showed this in my haul. This is from Copper Pearl. These are so soft, so stretchy. This also can double as a nursing cover. So it's a swaddle, a nursing cover, it could be a blanket. You can hang this over the stroller. Really, really beautiful, and it's a must-have. And then I just have like a little snuggly toy. This is from Jellycat. I also showed this in my newborn haul. Just a nice little sweet stuffed animal for her to snuggle with. So that's what I pack in here. Obviously, this will change as they get older. Your needs will change of what you need to take for your baby, but you don't really need a ton in the newborn phase, other than change of clothes, some diapers, some wipes. If you use pacifiers, if you use bottles, obviously there's plenty of places to stick bottles in either of these sides, bottles over here. It's just a really nice, wonderfully made backpack. It's so beautiful. If you are, like I said in the intro, more of an average height person, this could even be an everyday bag for you. I'm pretty short, so for an everyday bag, it's just a little bit wide for me because I'm very, very petite. But this will be my diaper bag when she comes, because I'll have a stroller and it'll just be really easy. And I just find that the backpack style works best for my life. Most of the time I use a backpack versus a purse anyways, except for I'm going to be showing you in another video the Page Carry-All, which is their other bag that they offer, and I've been using the small mini one for the last few weeks as my everyday bag, and I'm obsessed. But this bag does come in 3 colors. It has black, the like navy denim blue, and then this beautiful dusty pink color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my diaper bag / Levy backpack review. So down in the comments below, let me know some of your must-have baby products that you guys store in your newborn diaper bags. Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!